In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the voice meter in Capcut. By the end, you'll know how to check your audio levels and make simple adjustments so your video sounds clear and professional. Start by opening Capcut. Once it loads, head into your workspace so you can get to your timeline. If you're prompted to create a new project, go ahead and do that. This puts you in the editor, where you can see the preview window, the timeline, and your tools. Now add your video. Import the clip you want to work on and drag it onto the timeline if it doesn't appear there automatically. If your project includes multiple clips or music, that's fine. Everything you add will show up as separate tracks. Make sure your main clip is selected so you can see its audio waveform, which helps you spot louder and quieter moments at a glance. Next, locate the voice meter. In Capcut, the audio level meter sits near the time display and playback controls. It looks like a vertical bar that moves as sound plays, usually with green, yellow, and red zones and decibel markings. When you click or enable it, you'll be able to monitor your levels in real time. Press play and watch the meter as your video runs. The goal is to keep normal speaking voice mostly in the green and touching into yellow on stronger words, without hitting the red. Red means clipping, which sounds harsh and distorted. A good target for dialogue is to have peaks around -6 to -3 decibels, with average speech lower than that. If you see the meter barely moving, your audio is too quiet. If it slams into red, it's too loud. Now try to make adjustments. Select the clip and find the volume control in the inspector or toolbar. Nudge the slider up if the voice is too soft or down if it's too hot. Make small changes, then play a section and check the meter again. If you have background music, lower the music volume until the voice remains dominant and the combined levels stay out of the red. For sections where the speaker gets louder, consider gently reducing the volume at that moment so peaks don't clip. For softer lines, bring it up slightly so the meter still reaches a healthy range. Use your ears as well as your eyes. Headphones help you catch hiss, hum, or harsh consonants. When everything sits comfortably in green with occasional controlled touches into yellow, you're in a safe zone. Replay a few spots across your timeline to confirm consistency, then you're done.